Hello mga ka-cranky, so quick video muna tayo before we enjoy the weekend. So we have here the Garmin Instinct Solar, and then I want to replace the bracelet. So what we have here is the SIM card pin. So basically just go here on the side and then just press it. So we have here, see that one, how to do it with two hands. We need more hands right here. Press it right there, and then press it right there, and then it will come out. Okay, that's it. And then right there, just pop in the new bracelet. Simple as that. Get the pin for the second bracelet. Press it right there. It's out, and then put on the second bracelet. And basically that's it. It's like a new dress for our watch, Instinct Solar. There we go. And these are the old bracelets. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.